Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a thunderstorm in Grow a Garden. All right, let's begin. To create a thunderstorm in Grow a Garden, start by planting a cloud flower. This special flower forms clouds in your garden. Water it every day to help it grow. As you keep watering it, the flower becomes bigger and fluffier, eventually resembling a real cloud. Next, you'll need lightning bugs. These can be found in the shop or earned by completing small missions in the game. Once you have the bugs, release them near your fully grown cloud flower. When the cloud flower is large and full of water, and the lightning bugs are flying nearby, your garden will begin to change. The sky gets darker, and then the thunderstorm starts. You'll see lightning flash and hear thunder rumble through your garden. Thunderstorms are more than just cool visuals. They're useful too. Some plants grow faster during a thunderstorm, and a few rare seeds only sprout under stormy conditions. This makes thunderstorms an important feature if you're looking to expand your collection or speed up your gardening progress. So that's basically how you can get a thunderstorm in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.